In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free skins in Marvel Rivals. You can unlock every single skin for completely free, and it literally takes just a few minutes, guys. This uses a 100% working bundle code that you can redeem in-game, and is going to unlock every single skin for completely free in Marvel Rivals. So you can see, guys, I'm using a mobile phone here. And it is very important you do use your mobile. It just makes the process a lot simpler. And you will see why as I progress through the tutorial. So, as I said, I've got my mobile phone. I'm opening up the internet browser, so I have an internet connection. And I'm going to go to the following website, www.robotcoupons.com. So ROBOTCOUPONS, robot coupons. Very important you type it correctly. And this is a codes website, guys. And as you can see, I'm just scrolling down the page here. They have some awesome game codes and other things. So you just need to navigate your way to the Marvel Rivals redeem codes, also known as bundle codes. So you just need to find at this page here, guys. And there is a search bar at the top here, which you can just search for Marvel Rivals in. And as long as you can actually spell it, it will pop up. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to look through the camera screen, but basically navigate your way to this page. Now there's a few different codes to choose from. Obviously, this video we're focusing on the unlock all skins in Marvel Rivals code. You can get lattice and units as well if you wish. So all you need to do, guys, is choose your code and click on show code. And in this scenario, this is a unlock all skins for free code. And you can see, guys, these codes are limited. So as you can see, it says coupons left remaining. And your code is protected. Now, this obviously prevents people from stealing all of these limited codes, so you will need to unlock your personal Marvel Rivals bundle code. So go ahead and tap on this red button that says Unlock Code. Now, I'm not going to run through the full process, guys, simply because it does take a few minutes, so I'm going to cancel that. But you're going to see a new screen once that reaches the end of that load-in page, and it's going to tell you how to go ahead and unlock your code. So basically, guys, if you follow all of the instructions and complete a couple of tasks which will verify yourself as a real person, this code will be fully unlocked. So these stars will basically turn into some numbers and characters, and it's your bundle code, guys, your personal code, which you can redeem in-game, and that is how to get free skins in Marvel Rivals, every single one of them. And it's working in 2024, and also will be continue to work in 2025. So all you need to do, guys, is go to Robot Coupons and search for the Marvel Rivals redeem codes page, select your code. Make sure you follow all of the instructions when you unlock your code, guys, because it is very important to verify yourself. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.